See, the first one we had already done, children. Yes or no? Tell me very quickly. Ankita Swati conversation reported speech. Did we do it last time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I remember the first three we had done. Still, I'm getting it confirmed from you people. Let's move down. Okay, let's move down, children. Let's see. This one. Mahabaleshwar one also we had done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I remember we have done. Now the third one was at confectioner ordering a cake, birthday wala. This also we had done, right? Or yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Now we'll move on to the a little higher level today. Okay, beta, we'll move on to a little higher level today. Let's start. We are going to do a little tough one today. We've already done the easy. So this is your worksheet. Yamini says this thing has to be done in reported speech. I'll tell you. Yamini says, I heard you are relocating soon. Smita says, yes, we are moving to Finland. Yamini is saying what? She's saying that's great. I wish you all the best of your life. So, what do you mean by relocating? What is relocating, children? Very quickly.
Shifting.
Yes, very good. Shifting. Challenge. That's great! Exclamatory mark. I wish you all the best for your life. We will miss you. Please keep in touch. Smita says, thanks. I will miss you too. I will send you a postcard from there to be added to your collection and we will be in touch via email. This is one that you have to do. I'm just telling you what all has to be done today so that we can start doing. Let's not waste time. This is the second task for today. This is a little difficult one. Be very careful when you do this. Agent 1 is saying, come to the cafe by the station at 4 o'clock. I would be sitting by the window and I would be wearing a bright green sweater. Agent 2 says, okay, shall I bring the documents? Agent 1 says, yes, I will explain everything when I see you. Please don't be late. And then Agent 2, he says what? Agent 2 says, okay, I will reach on time. See, this is a little confusing one. Okay, children. The second conversation which I'm showing you is a little confusing one. So be very careful when you do this. Agent 1 and Agent 2. So there is a conversation between two agents. I have shown you on the screen. You need to do how many periods, how many exercises are here if you see, children? I've shown you two. One is the first one is which one? This one, dear. Okay. I heard you relocating soon. Everybody can see on their screens. Can you see this conversation, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, there will be a fixed time which will be given to you to do this conversation to reported speech. I will not ask you whether done or not done. I will scroll and I will move on to the next one, the next exercise which I just discussed with you, Agent 1 and Agent 2. Automatically, when I feel that this is the maximum time which should be given to all of you, I will shift off. So please, when I say start, start doing. You'll be doing these two exercises and then we'll discuss the answers. As I did yesterday, I'll be asking answers by name one by one. You need to answer. So don't feel okay, these 3-4 people who are going to raise hands are going to answer, others are not going to answer. This is not going to happen, at least in my class. Everybody is supposed to answer. If you have joined a meeting, you need to answer. There is no punishment for giving a wrong answer. So that doesn't make a difference. So children, your time starts now. After 3 minutes or 3.5 minutes, I'll scroll down. I'll show you the next one, the next exercise, which I just discussed. Please start your work. And then we'll discuss the answers. There is no need to raise hands. There is no need to speak answers. We'll discuss after the time is done for everybody. I hope you people are done, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone who needs more time? Because I'm going to ask anybody, anyone who's in the meeting. So let me know right now. Later, don't say, ma'am, I had not done, I had not finished. So all are done. All the 30 participants present today. Very good. The number is increasing day by day. Good to see that you people are regular now. Raj Vikram Singh, Surabhi, Vatsal, Vedanshi, Yash Sharma. Yash Sharma, good morning. Yash Sharma, good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Anji, good morning. Chaliye, tell me the first sentence. Yamini told Smita that quickly. Right
Ma'am,
or wrong doesn't make a difference. Bolo bas.
ma'am, Yamini told Smita that she heard that Smita is relocating soon.
There is one very small mistake here. Who would like to correct?
Ma'am, it would be was.
No. Krish has raised hand. Krish, speak out the answer.
Ma'am, Yamini told Smita that she had heard that she was relocating soon.
Excellent. Beta क्या बताया था? The past tense changes into very good Krish, too good. Past tense changes to
Perfect.
Past perfect.
perfect.
Past
Past
Past perfect.
So how did we forget this, children? This sentence may it was written heard. That is past tense. So past has to change to past perfect. Very good. Too good. Okay. You can speak once again so that those who have not got it can relate it once again. Bolo beta, speak a little slowly.
Yamini told Smita that she had heard that she was relocating soon.
Yes. We cannot word use Smita because it is written you. So the according to rule of pronouns, we have to make it she only. Now what is Smita answering? This Vishwa will tell us. Vishwa, are you there? Good morning. Vishwa, where is Vishwa? Joined the meeting and disappeared. Vedanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
please answer. Give the second answer.
Samita agreed and told her that they were moving to Finland.
Speak slowly so that everybody can relate and see whether you're right or not. Speak a little slowly, beta.
Samita agreed and told her that they were moving to Finland.
How many of you feel her answer is correct? Say yes. If you feel it's wrong, then say no.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Okay. Everybody feels it's correct or somebody feels there is a mistake in this? Yes, perfect. I also feel she's given the correct answer. So, Vatsal now. Vatsal, good morning. Vatsal and Surabhi.
Yes,
Vatsal,
ma'am. Good morning.
good morning, dear. The next sentence I want from you. Where is Vatsal? Vatsal and Vishwa, are you there? What is the point? I'm going to mark you absent. And I'll make sure your class teacher marks you absent for the entire day for all periods. Vatsal and Vishwa. Yes, you
Ma'am,
continue, beta.
Vishwa has not joined through internet calling. That's why he's not able to answer.
Acha, he's not able to answer. He's there. Okay. And what about Vatsal? Anyway, continue. Even Smriti, I want. Smriti, are you there? Smriti. Smriti and Surabhi,
Yes, ma'am.
please answer. And Saloni also. Smriti is not there, I think. So Smriti and Saloni give the answer. The next one.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
she added that she would miss her and requested to keep in touch.
Speak again, speak a little slowly. All others listen carefully and tell me whether she's right or she's wrong. Speak with her.
Ma'am, she added that she would miss her and requested to keep in touch.
What about the first part? You have not done that. I wish you all the best of your life and all that part you've left. You have not done that.
Ma'am, it is already given that Yamini explained that it was great and wished her all the best for her life.
Speak from here.
She
Yes. Speak from here so that no gap is there. Speak from here and then add on your part, Peter. Speak from here only. Good.
Yamini explained that it was great and wished her all the best for her life. She added that she would miss her and requested to keep in touch.
See why I told her to read the entire thing even if it was given, because sometimes you may come across sentences where this kind of a phrase is written, that's great, an exclamation mark. Then how would you change it? Okay, then you would change it in this way, that Yamini explained that it was great. Clear, everybody? This is how you will change your exclamation marks. Very good, well done. Now we're moving on to the last sentence. Let's see who can answer. Let me select some. Okay, let me see whom are we going to select. Divya Singh, Divya and Gauri.
Yes, ma'am.
Riya? Okay, Riya also wants to answer. Riya, you can give. You raise your hand. Riya, give the answer. Then Divya and Gauri will also give. Yes, Riya, give.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Give the answer, beta.
Smita thanked her and told her that she will miss her too. So she will miss her too, and she would send her a postcard from there to be added to her collection, and will be in touch via email. Would be.
Would be in touch. Though it's correct, but speak a little slowly, Riya, so that others can check what you're speaking. Speak in parts. They can. Others keep saying yes, yes, no. If you feel it's correct, say yes. Otherwise, say no when she speaks. It's a long sentence. Speak slowly, Riya.
She also told her that she would miss her too. She would send a postcard from there to be added to her collection, and they would be in touch via email.
Yes, students, agreed with the answer. Any
Yes, ma'am.
disagreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Krish, any disagreement with Riya's answer?
Ma'am, in the last it should not be two, it should be that. Because it is written could. And ma'am, it is
Speak
already given
again,
that
Riya. Speak again.
Yes, ma'am. She could add her.
Let us speak again. Riya, speak again, beta.
Actually, I missed the word there. It was on the side.
Yes, it was on the side. Very good. So you just missed that word. That's absolutely right. But then it was a wonderful effort, such a big sentence, and you did it correctly. Now we are moving on to the difficult one. Okay. I told you this is a little complicating one. So when you answer, you have to be a little slow, beta. This is what we need to take care of, that be a little slow when you answer this. Let's start with this. Divya Singh, are you there? And Ayush
Yes.
Gupta.
Yes,
Ayush,
ma'am. Good morning.
good morning. The first one, both of them will give answers and the class will decide who is correct. Divya, first you give, then Ayush will give his answer. And you people tell me who is correct.
Agent 1 instructed Agent 2 to go to the cafe by the station at 4 o'clock.
Stop till here. Okay, Ayush, now you, the first sentence.
Yes, ma'am. It is same. Agent 1 instructed Agent 2 to go to the cafe by the station at 4 o'clock.
Do you agree with the answers, both? All the entire class, with what both of them are saying, Ayush and Divya?
Yes, ma'am.
I think
Okay.
it should be
Any disagreement, raise your hand. If there is any disagreement, please raise your hand. No. Anshika Verma and Anshika Singh. Both Anshikas are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika Verma, Anshika Singh, I want you to give the second part. I would be sitting by the window and I would be wearing a bright green sweater. Be careful, wood is already there. So Anshika Verma and Anshika Singh will give us the answers. Others will raise hands if they feel there is some disagreement. Otherwise, we will approve the answer. Start. First Anshika Verma, then Anshika Singh.
Ma'am, he added that he will be sitting by the window and wearing a bright green sweater.
Okay, Anshika Singh, your answer. Anshika Singh, are you there? I'm noting down the names of
Yes,
these
ma'am.
students not responding. Anjali, you speak better. Give me the answer. Second part.
Same sentence.
Yes, from here. I would be sitting by the window, that part.
He added that he would be sitting by the window and he would be wearing a bright green sweater.
Now, those who feel that there is something wrong in the conversion, please raise your hands. If at all you feel there is something wrong in what answers have come, please raise your hands. All are satisfied. That is nice. If all are satisfied. Aditya and Abuzar, are you there, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Abuzar is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aditya is also there now. Come on, give me the second answer.
Agent 2
Agent
asked
two.
him if he should bring the documents.
What? Speak again.
Ma'am, Agent 2 asked him if he should bring the documents.
Oh God. Yes, next child. Aditya.
Agent 2 asked him that if he would bring the documents. Agent 2 asked him
Would.
if he would bring the documents.
Would or should, Aditya?
Ma'am, would.
Why would, my child?
Ma'am, because we use would with singular nouns.
Acha. Okay. Let's see. Let's have a third opinion. Two different answers have come. Ira.
Yes, ma'am.
Ira. You give the answer according to you who is correct. Give the answer. Aditya or Abuzar?
Ma'am, no one is correct.
You give your own answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Agent 2 asked him if he should bring the documents.
Her voice is not very clear to me. Maybe it's clear to others, but it's not clear to me. Can you hear what Ira is saying clearly, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I could not
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
clearly. Lakshay.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, whatever Ira said, can somebody repeat it? I could not hear her.
Ma'am, Agent 2 asked him if he should bring the documents.
Okay. How many of you feel that there is something wrong in this answer? Raise your hands if you feel this is wrong. Something is missing or some part is wrong. There was a little difference in answers when it comes to should and would. What should we use, children? Should or would?
Ma'am, should.
Should.
Ma'am, should.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
should.
should.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it
should.
should not be would. There was a bit of confusion one of the child had. I don't remember. I think it was Aditya. Aditya, it is written shall. Shall becomes should. And will becomes
Would.
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 So here we did not have will, beta. We had shall. So shall should become should. Now let's go on to the next child. You people can
Ma'am,
always
one
tell
question.
us. Yes, beta, speak out.
Ma'am, it can be like this also. Agent 2 asked him that should he bring the documents.
Beta, it's an interrogative sentence, no? So convert your interrogative sentence into a normal assertive sentence. You have already done the
ma'am.
same. You've already done the same part. Now, Lakshay is there? Lakshay, I saw his name.
Yes,
Lakshay and
ma'am.
Kshitij. Kshitij, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Kshitij Gangwar and Lakshay. Give the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
answer. Children, if the meeting gets over, please join. If in case the time is not done for the class, you can rejoin, children. Chali, Lakshay and Kshitij, give others, please listen carefully.
Agent
Listen
1
carefully.
replied in affirmation and told him that he would explain everything when he see him.
Okay, when he see him. The other one, I gave 2 students to do this. Second child,
Ma'am, agent 1 replied in affirmation and told him that he would explain everything when he saw him.
when he saw him, see him. 2 answers have already come. Raise your hand, those who want to try. I told you this is a little typical one. Please raise your hands. Those who are confident answering. Monica has raised her hand. Okay, Monica, 10. Let's see what Monica says.
Ma'am, agent 1 replied in affirmation and told him that he would explain everything when he would see him.
Speak again, beta. Speak slowly so that everybody can relate what you're saying.
Agent 1 replied in affirmation and told him that he would explain everything when he sees him.
When he sees him. And the second part, that part is left. Please do that also. Anybody else would like to try?
He
Please don't.
He also requested agent 2 to not to be late. Ma'am, it's already written.
Do not, so it's already mentioned, to not to be late. Okay, who would try the last sentence now? Raise your hands like Monica had raised just now. Very good, Monica, excellent. Raise your hands, please, for the last sentence. Okay, we have Krish and Kshitij. Krish, Kshitij, and Surbi. Chale, Krish, you give first, then I'll ask Kshitij and Surbi also. Monica has already got a chance.
Agent 1 assured him that he would reach on time.
Okay, who would take up the challenge now of giving me the entire paragraph? Hands down first, all hands down. First, all hands down. Yes, Nabil, hand down. Okay, Krish, you also. Acha, you've taken the second challenge. Only those hands to be raised now who have taken the challenge of giving me the entire thing, entire paragraph to be done together. Those students, raise your hands. Who can do the entire paragraph with me? I have already got one child raising hand, that is Krish. Anybody else? Okay, Kshitij has also taken up the challenge. Very good. Let's see who wins. Ria also. Too good. Okay, 3 students are enough. Krish, Kshitij, and Ria. See, one mistake and you're out. Even if you do one mistake, you're out of the challenge. So even if you go slow, we are okay, but do it perfectly. Start, Krish. Start.
Agent 1 instructed Agent 2 to go to the cafe by the station at 4 o'clock. He added that he would be sitting by the window and he would be wearing a bright green sweater. Agent 2 asked him whether he should bring the documents. Uh, Agent 1 replied in affirmation and told him that he would explain everything when he sees him. You see him. He also requested Agent 2 to not to be late. Agent 1 assured him that he would reach on time.
Second child, please start very quickly.
Agent 1 instructed Agent 2 to go to the cafe by the station at 4 o'clock. He added that he would be sitting by the window and he would be wearing a bright green sweater. Agent 2 asked him if he should bring the documents. Agent 1 replied in affirmation and told him that he would explain everything when he sees him. Agent 1 he requested Agent 2 not to be late. Agent 1 assured him that he would reach on time.
Excellent. The last child now who had taken up the challenge quickly.
Agent 1 instructed Agent 2 to go to the cafe by the station at 4 o'clock. He would be sitting by the window and he would be wearing a bright green sweater. Agent 2 asked him if he should bring the documents. Agent 1 replied in affirmation and told him that yes, told him that he would explain everything when he sees him, and he also requested him to not to be late. Agent 1 assured him that he would reach on time.
Excellent, children. What about your feedbacks? Did anyone commit any mistake? I was amazed to see the confidence with which you people spoke. So quick, and there was no mistake at all. Though this was a little tricky one, but you people did it wonderfully well. So I think one more session of more practice of reported speech and you'll be more confident. Only one little problem which came is will and shall. Very quick. Will becomes what, children?
Would.
Would.
And shall become
Should.
And one more mistake which we had, which Krish had corrected in the beginning, this heard wala. This was past tense. So past tense changes to
Past perfect.
Past perfect.
So this is what we need to remember. So if it is past perfect, then which word had to be inserted here? What should have come here?
Ma'am, had.
Had. And if we have something in present perfect, then what are the words that are used?
Has and
have. Very good. Is there any confusion in these passages that are done today?
No, ma'am.
The best part is you
No,
have
ma'am.
done, I have not done. I think your class gets over at 9:35 according to the schedule posted, if I'm not wrong. This is your break time now.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your break time. You can leave the meeting. God bless you all, beta. We'll meet next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless, beta.